How to fix Facebook couldn't send problem on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you the easy way, the correct way how to do this. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open the settings of your phone, and you will go now directly to apps or applications. You will find all your applications on your phone. You will open Facebook, and on Facebook click on storage and go to the last here, clear data, and click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed correctly. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you now.